Hold on. Give me a little power. Turn up the mic, man. One. Yeah. Yeah. I mean him, Sugar Shane. Sugar. 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 Ah. Ah. Hold on, a Valrie night tonight. But me come from Southeast St. Mary to bring a clear message, because a long time I want to come to West Portland. Because the member of parliament found himself in my constituency, and I've come to return the favor. And just like Valrie, we're not afraid of nobody. Mr. PNP not afraid of nobody. The only thing was good for are for put flowers. And that are for the funeral. We don't come to play, comrades. When I come from Southeast to another constituency, it is the full 100 support we bring. And there's no power like PNP power, because we depend on people power. All of you here are the warriors and soldiers of this party. And we celebrate 80 years. 80 years of fighting for the rights of every single Jamaican. This party was founded on the shoulders and the backs of the working class of this country to give you a better life. So when Valrie Neita-Robertson come down here, it's because she believes in what I believe in, which is that each and every man must get an equal opportunity, a better school for your children, better roads for the farmers, and not have coffee spoiling in the fields because they won't pay the farmers enough for all the work and toil in the hot sun. Comrades, we're taking off the gloves in this constituency. Region 2, led by the Comrade Chairman, Comrade Guy, and the 6-star General. They are marshalling all of us as troops. Every single one of you, all the way out the car park, to make sure that we bring this home for the People's National Party. Because the country is going through a turbulent time. Comrades, there are children who don't go to school every week. There are families that don't have Sunday dinner. The $32 billion in taxes that they put on us are the same member of parliament, Darrell Vaz, architect that and make sure so all of us suffer more, and we're going to make them pay for it. Every time I talk, you're going to hear about the $32 billion in taxes. Why you don't have roads or water in your pipe, or this school don't have a track field or a proper football field. When them talk about crime, there are 2 shootings in the last 2 days in Anata Bay. You don't have money to pay the police force. Take the $32 billion and pay the police, pay the teachers, pay the nurses, pay the farmers, pay every single man or woman that put in a decent day's work must get a decent day's pay. Comrades, they don't know their history. Labor Day that we just celebrated wasn't just to paint schools and do community work. We added that one later. This day was to mark the founding of this party, that it was the labor movement, the workers of this country who built the farms, who built the railway, who built the roads, who built this very school to show respect and honor for the sacrifice that many hundreds and thousands of Jamaicans have made so that you and I have a better, brighter future. And we will return to that with the leadership of Valrie Neita-Robertson in this constituency. And I want to tell the man that we like jump the fence over the border into my constituency. Those days are done. We are locked down the thing with proper enumeration, scrutineers, and we ensure that there's no padding or any vote in this constituency or mine. I mean name the girl them sugar, you know. Me say I mean name the girl them sugar. So PNP love we are spread from St. Mary, Portland, right round to St. Thomas. And if them give me a chance, me carry it west. Comrades, the Jamaica Labour Party tries to buy votes. We work for our votes. When you see me stand up here, I lost my election, but me never run away. We don't run from people. We find them and deal with the election appropriately. With better plans, better programs, programs that help everyone. Let me tell you something about the current administration that's different from our administration to come. Because the comrade leader has already made it clear that there will be a Jamaica that works for everyone. You remember the banking bill that the comrade chairman took to Parliament and them throw it out? You know who chair the Economic Growth Commission? The man that owned the largest bank in this country. And the Prime Minister take it off of the books so that you and I can pay more money to the banks. So 4 of them can make 5% while the rest of us starve and suffer in the streets. We are not for some, we are for everyone. Comrades, listen carefully as we articulate the reasons why the People's National Party is the best choice for government and Valrie Neita-Robertson is the best choice for West Portland. The government has sold out the dreams of the Jamaican people. They have given in to big business and special interest groups. And I am not a part of no big business or no special interest. My interest, like Valerie's, is you and your life and what is best for all of us. Comrades, I know the leader is on his way and he will share with you a bigger vision. And we have man like Basil wait. When I have to wait again, he might come down. And there are more comrades lining up every day. You are not alone. You are not alone. West Portland stands with the People's National Party. It means that comrades from Hanover to St. Thomas are here with you in body and spirit. As Comrade Innes said, we want to build a stronger party, and that is why we are all here in full support of Comrade Valrie Neita-Robertson. Comrade, to be a PNP comrade is not convenient. It is not easy to walk away from your family. As Comrade Fenton Ferguson said to me, the best day for politics is the best day for family. All of us sacrifice to be here because we believe in the movement of Norman Washington Manley. We believe in the party of Michael Manley. We believe in the party of P.J. Patterson. We believe in the party of Portia Simpson Miller. And sure as day, we believe in the party of Peter Phillips. Too many people in this country don't live on their own land. You have an attorney who can help fight to ensure that there will be no more squatters in the land of their birth. And I can tell them something on the next side, you know. We're not using a courthouse for win the election. We're going to use a courthouse for get them out. And in the words of Comrade KD Knight, comrades, Darrell Vash should have packed his bags and gone when Bruce Golding left the scene. So we're a few years late, but we're going to get the job done. But we must plan and organize together. Unity is strength. And I'm here to pledge my commitment to supporting the work of West Portland, as I hope you will support the work of Southeast St. Mary. Because we are neighbors. We are comrades in arms. We believe in the same programs, the same social framework. We believe in you, so believe in us. Comrades, one love to victory, forward ever, backward never.